Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sonos Roam, quick fix step by step clearly. To connect your Sonos Roam, start by ensuring that your speaker is charged. Press the power button located on the back of the device. Wait for the LED light to indicate that it is powered on. Next, choose the method you prefer for connecting the Sonos Roam. If you're using Wi-Fi, ensure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Download the Sonos app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the app and select Set up New System. Follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the Add a Speaker option. Place your Sonos Roam within range of your Wi-Fi router. The app should detect the Roam automatically. If the Sonos Roam is not detected, hold down the play/pause button until the LED light flashes orange. This process resets the speaker and makes it discoverable again. If you'd rather connect via Bluetooth, press the power button to turn on the speaker. Then press the Bluetooth button until you see a flashing blue light. On your smartphone, navigate to the Bluetooth settings. Look for Sonos Roam in the list of available devices. Tap on it to initiate pairing. Once connected, you'll see a solid blue light on the Roam. You're now ready to enjoy your music. Remember to adjust the volume on both the Sonos Roam and your device for optimal sound. Make sure to conduct a final check by playtesting your audio. If you have any issues, consider restarting your Sonos Roam and your device, then try again. That's how you can quickly connect your Sonos Roam. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.